What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We are an authorized Denago, Star, and Club Car dealer. Come see us. We're about a half hour north of Atlanta. You'll see social media links in the description. Here's an issue on some of the Denago Rover models that were made. The build date will be 9/5/24. As you see, 9/5/24, September 5th. I don't know if it's all of them, but many of them did not include the upper lighting wiring harness that goes down through the strut, comes out and connects here. The relays were left out also. There's two relays, one for the upper light, one for the lower light. Neither of those were included, although the wiring is included. So somebody completely dropped the ball. So anyway, I don't know if you can, you should be able to contact your Denago dealer and order the upper lighting, because it's a, it's a stretch probably 4 or 5 feet long with a connector like this at the top. So when you contact your dealer, say, hey, mine did not come with the upper lighting wiring harness. It's right next to the sound bar also. It's not impossible to do. You'll have to remove the sound bar and then use like a fishing, electrician's fishing line, or maybe a long coat hanger, and you'll have to poke the wiring. It goes down through this support strut. It then comes out right here. Comes out right there, and then you just join it with the OEM wiring connector, which is right here. There's your color type connector. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know about that, because some people are saying, hey, mine doesn't have the upper lighting harness. Well, you need that wire as well as these two relays, and the relays numbers are, you can probably look these up anywhere online. It's just a standard relay. It looks like this. Fairly small relay, but that's what the connectors look like. So yeah, I think if you contact your dealer, you should be able to get these parts, because I think they were just left out, because there are others that were built around the same time frame, and they have everything included and installed already from the factory. So just a little bit strange of why that happened. We have several though. If they were built 9/5/24, they probably don't have them, and you'll just have to tell your dealer, hey man, that's not right, mine's supposed to have it, and they should be able to handle it. And that's about it. Check out our website, golfcarsofwoodstock.com, our Facebook page. We got tons of videos online as well about Denago, Star, Club Car, E-Z-GO, other carts as well. Check it all out. If our video really helped you out, make sure you click the thanks donation button that's underneath the video screen. We appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.